Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Skian here again to design a tree village out of your Treehouse Engineering and Design Kit. So this is the third activity card, so 3A is the one that you're going to want to look at. And this is for first and second grade students that are getting materials at home and are not getting on Zoom, so they're just watching the pre-recorded videos. So these pieces, you are going to need pretty much all of your pieces in the box outside of one of your triangular pieces, your gear piece, and then this piece, I don't know what you want to call it, but that piece, and then one of your long brown pieces. So you can pretty much like dump out, you can see here, I dumped out like all of my materials on the table. I have everything out. So let's put those away. Also, I wanted to let you know too here, you have, I can face this the right way, there we go. So you have stickers here. You can decorate your treehouse. You can decorate all of your stuff the way that you want to. So feel free to like put your leaves on, your little squirrel. So you have what? You have squirrel, you have acorns, you have snails, ladybugs, all that. So feel free to put those on wherever you want to. Those are yours. And then you're going to want your hexagon piece. So I probably should have mentioned this before. So a hexagon has 6 sides. So you can see here it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a specific shape called a hexagon. So you'll want that. You'll want your leaf type thing, the larger one. You will want 5 of these blue pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will want 4, let's just make sure, yep, 4 of your triangular pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You want your guy, we want Joe, okay? Joe is with us again today. And then we want 3 of these corner pieces, so the brown corner pieces. And then your blue piece, a bucket, your bucket. And then you have these little purple pieces. So you'll need 6 of those. You need 6 purple pieces. And then you need 2 of the longer purple pieces. 7 of these long brown pieces. So you should only be missing 1 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 6 of your shorter brown pieces, which is all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your leaves, the 3 smaller leaves. And your blue rope that I destroyed of mine, but will be fixed. I'll fix it later. So to start off, what you're going to want to do is look at the back of your card, and it says first, build 2 tree houses. So you're going to start by building 1 tree house with, it shows you here, again, you can do this how you want. So you're going to start with your leaf, and then you're going to put 4 of your brown pieces, shorter ones, down at the bottom of this. And then you are going to want to make another one. So let's take your hexagon piece and let's put 4 of the long brown ones on. Okay, let's try it like this. I don't think it really matters if you use it, if you put this side up where it has the little pieces that stick out, or you put it down. It doesn't really matter one way or the other, but completely up to you. Let's put those there. Now you have 4 of these pieces to form another treehouse base. There's that. And then you can take the longer piece again, a longer brown piece if you want. You can, well, it shows you, okay, there we go. You can put this in one of the sides and then take a corner piece and put that, let me direct this down a little bit. There we go. Okay. Okay. So now you can see I have the brown piece here, the brown corner piece, and then I'm going to take a shorter piece, put a shorter brown piece on here, and put a leaf on top of that. Well, you do it, what's it say? Which way does it work? Oh, you got to put it on the, that's why. There were two squares. Didn't realize that one was bigger than the other. So, okay, we have that. So we have one treehouse side built. The other treehouse, I'm going to put a long brown piece. Ooh. Move all this over a little bit. Okay, so the long brown piece I'm going to put in the center of the hexagon piece. And then again, we're going to snap these triangular pieces together like we did last time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then see how it makes it like this? But then you fold it. Oops, it's supposed to be able to fold it down so that they all connect. Last time we had 5 pieces, this time we have 4. I can get this in. There we go. All right, so we got that on there. Now, it says, okay, oh, okay. Can we, does that just sit on there? Doesn't look like it does. I feel like there should be something else under there, don't you? Maybe we put another, because I don't see where this other brown piece would go, so maybe we put that on here and then put that on. Put the corner piece. Let's see. Nope. That's not going to work. So we're going to have to put this on and then put this over the top. There we go. So maybe, no, okay, never mind. Sorry. I was thinking that maybe one of these pieces came out to hold this up, but it's holding just fine. So put that there. And then you have one of your leaves. Put one of those on the side. Okay. Now these kind of ready to go. So one of the things that they did with this is they made a ladder with these purple pieces. So let's put our little tiny purple pieces in between here. So you see how these will all connect together like this. You're going to put that in. It's going to make a ladder. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, sheesh. I'm trying not to throw stuff. You guys, I'm throwing stuff around today, huh? All right. So there's 3, 4, 5. Do we only need 5 or do we need 6? We did need 6. So there's my other one. There it is. Okay. So there's 6. And then these go together. So snap those together. 1, 2, 3. You know what I realized though, actually, you're going to want to make sure, and you'll be able to see this yourself, you're going to want to make sure that you have the little divots, so there are little tiny dents on the side. You're going to want them on the same side so that they can hold on top of your treehouse. So you can see like those little, the place where they're kind of dented in, okay? So you'll want those on the same side. So I'm going to tip it this way, put the other ones back in since I pulled them out. Then put all of them together. And so now you can see here is your little ladder, and it hooks because you have those little, you have the spot where it's indented, and so you can put those in. So now let's take, all right, you can build this how you want to build this. I personally, I don't know, like I would prefer to work on one tree house by itself and then the other tree house by itself. But again, that's completely up to you, what you would like to do. Move that. I feel like you guys can't see this very well. Okay, that should be better. Yep, now you can see them. All right, so now, where did we put, okay. Oh, I messed up, you guys. So we didn't need that other brown piece up here. So I'm going to take this apart, and I'm just going to, put this on the top, and I'm going to do, well, so I thought anyway, there we go. But that's not up high enough, is it, you guys? That's not up high enough. I wonder if I could take another, maybe another long piece and put it, maybe two of them. Maybe you actually need two. Maybe that would make it better. But then they don't hook together. I am kind of confused, but maybe, because really you need something to go into the side. You need like this, the little prong piece to go in. But all right, well, we're gonna try it like this instead. See if that helps. What am I doing? Oh my goodness. Put that on this way. Okay, and then let's try putting this one. Oh, wait a sec. What did I do? I missed something. Oh, you guys, see? This is why it's good to work as a team, because then you notice the things that somebody else does, and you're like, oh, Mrs. S, that's a mistake. I need you guys to hang out with me and show me how to do these things. Okay, I think you guys could probably do a better job. So there's that. And then on the side, we're going to put this piece here. And let's see. Oh, and then our corner piece, we put the corner piece on this. Corner piece, and then your blue piece put in there. And then, so your blue piece, you're going to want to make sure that this is on the top, because your little rope is going to go through there. All right. So then we put these pieces together, these blue pieces, we'll snap those all together. And these are going to make our bridge in between. Okay. So as you can see on the side of this one, you have these things, the clips, to be able to clip in to your bridge. Because you'll notice that once you clip this last piece in, there's nowhere to clip it on the other side. You're not going to be able to. So now you have your clips right here, and then you can clip them to the other side. Oh. Timber! See, this fits perfectly, you guys. I can say timber because it's all they're tree houses. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's see if that stays. Maybe this will help to balance it out by putting the ladder on this side. It will help to stabilize it a little bit. What do you think? Think that will help? Get it in there. Oh. Okay. So now My tree houses are together. They're ready to go. And we are going to put, maybe I'm going to put this on the other side. Actually, I'm going to put it over here on this side so then it comes out more. And you can have your little lever, your little pulley system here to be able to pull this up. So again, you tie your little bucket, as you guys can see here, tie your little bucket here at the end. Again, probably want to ask an adult to help you. Just, I don't know how good you guys are at tying. I know my son who's in 2nd grade is still working on tying. So anyway, so we'll put that on the end here. And then you can see, put Joe on here. You know something, Joe could even go in the bucket, can't he? Nope, he can't fit. Nope, never mind. All right, Joe can just watch, or Joe can be a part of this where he can help to pull this up because Joe can get up his ladder. So let's see. Let's put this here for now. Put it through the top, these pieces. Let's see, to maybe hold it there. Okay. So put that through, and then Joe can climb up his ladder. Do, 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 do. Then he can hold on to this, and he can pull the water up if he needs to. And you pull it up, and then he can go grab it. So he could dip this into the water. Let's say he was right next to the water. He could dip it in, or he could get something that he needs. Somebody could put something in, and then he could bring it right up to his treehouse. Be able to pull it right up to his treehouse. So there's that. And then let's see how our bridge works. Did our bridge work good or what? Let's see. Oh, I guess we'll have to stabilize. See, again, these are some things that you can think of, like how can you stabilize it so this tree house is nice and sturdy? Because this one is not very sturdy, is it, you guys? So you can see here that the only things that are holding it up are these little tiny prongs at the end, which means it's not going to be as sturdy as these, right? Because these are wider. But again, you guys can try things out, figure it out. Just work with it and go through the scientific process. Go to your design book and come up with different solutions, different things that you guys can do with them. So that's it for now, or I was going to say today, but I'm doing all these videos today. All right. Okay, bye boys and girls. See you soon.